Everyone, still rainy conditions at now almost 11 o'clock, and we have temperatures remaining very mild for this time of night. Still 51 degrees here in downtown Evansville. That courtesy of a west wind topping out at about 14 miles per hour. That's kept our temperatures in check. With most of this rainfall we're continuing to see, that's actually going to continue to pick up in intensity over the next hour or two as we have another round of rainfall that'll slowly work its way across the tri-state, picking up on some heavier bands there through northern sections of Vanderburgh County, back out to our east, right off to the south of Owensboro there, and some heavier bands there working through portions of Warwick County at this hour. Again, that's continuing to track off to the east. As it does so, we could stand to receive an additional, let's say, quarter to about half an inch of rain. We've already picked up 2 inches of rainfall here in the metro area, Evansville, Henderson, as well as Owensboro, checking in at that near 2-inch mark. Notice some of that yellow and darker green also there at our radar return. That's an indication of where some heavier amounts of rainfall are continuing to work in. That's prompted the National Weather Service office to issue that flash flood watch for the entirety of the tri-state. That continues until about midnight tonight, and we're going to continue to see temperatures pretty mild out the door. Still 51 Evansville, 52 at this hour in Henderson, 54 in Owensboro. We'll check in at that 51-degree mark at Madisonville, and here's the satellite and radar picking up on mostly rainy conditions across our region. This is a large complex of low pressure that is riding a cold front across our east, and that's really going to be the trigger to where we'll see some much cooler-like temperatures, some much more seasonable temperatures to start off your Monday. Here's a look at that temperature gradient. 45 Little Rock, 51 in Evansville. Notice that cooler section of air though. 34 Oklahoma City, 30 in Kansas City. It's that very cool air that will continue to track closer to our region. Let's play it out for you then for the rest of your night. Going to remain mostly cloudy and overcast. Once we get through that other round of rainfall, this is tonight at about 12:50. You can see that widespread band of rainfall that's going to continue to track off to the east. We'll be left with primarily cloudy conditions then to finish out most of your Monday. Monday's looking much more cooler as well. 39 degrees at 6 o'clock, up to 40 at 9 o'clock. We'll climb to that near 42-degree mark at noontime under mostly cloudy conditions, and high temperatures tomorrow aren't really going to budge much. 42 Madisonville as well as Owensboro. We'll climb to 41 in Santa Claus, 44 in Greenville. All in all, though, these are in line where our actual afternoon high temperature should be for this time of year. The average high right around that 42-degree mark. Tonight's low temperature, 39 degrees. We'll call it rain clearing, overcast and very breezy at times as well. A southwesterly wind flow up to 20, gust as high as 25 to 30 plus miles per hour. Looking ahead now on that 7-day forecast, once we get through this bout of rainfall, we're going to continue to see those temperatures right around where they should be. 48 degrees on Wednesday, back up into the 50s then Thursday, but that comes with a chance of rainfall Thursday night into Friday, back up then into those low to middle 50s to finish out that 7-day forecast, and trending much more mild and warm by the time that we enter next weekend.
Thanks, Noah. A man accused of